The fastest copy trading bot on Solana just dropped an update that changes everything, and I'm about to show you exactly how you can find the most profitable traders to copy in under 10 minutes. Look, I know what you're thinking, another copy trading video, but here's the thing, most people are using tools that are literally too slow to make money. While you're waiting 2 seconds for the trade to execute, somebody else already took your profits. That's not going to happen anymore. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which wallets to copy, how to spot the farmers who use copy traders as exit liquidity, and how to set up your own bot for maximum speed. Let's jump in. Smash a like, subscribe, and check out the video description for all the tools. So first, what even is tradewiz? It's the fastest copy trading bot on Solana, and speed isn't just a nice feature here. It's literally the difference between making money or losing it. When you go to their website, you'll see the numbers that don't lie. tradewiz averages 1.1 seconds per transaction. Compare that to other bots hitting 1.5 or even 2 seconds. That might not sound like much, but in copy trading, those milliseconds is literally your profit margin. Think about it like this. When a profitable trader makes a move, hundreds or even thousands of people are copying that same trade. If you're not in that first wave, you're basically buying at a much higher price. You're essentially handing your money to the people that got in before you. On Twitter, they posted a speed comparison following Cupsy's trades. That's a real trader that a lot of people copy, and tradewiz beat GMGN, Trojan, Bloom. Here's where things get really interesting. Telegram bots are basically ancient history now, and with this new update, tradewiz completely changed because they actually built their own copy trading web app because it makes the entire experience cleaner, faster, and just way easier to use. No more digging through Telegram menus or trying to type commands while a trade is happening. To access tradewiz, check the link in the video description. It will first ask you to connect to Telegram just for authentication. Then you'll click this link, and then from there, you're in. It's as simple as that. This is what the dashboard looks like. Everything is visual. Everything is organized. You can see your active copies, your profit and loss, transaction history, all in one place. But before we dive into the features, let me show you the most important part, which is finding the right wallets to copy. Because here's a truth that nobody wants to talk about. A lot of copy traders are losing not because it doesn't work, but because they're looking at the wrong copy wallets. Now let's find profitable wallets. In this section, that's going to make or break copy trading success. Finding profitable wallets isn't just looking at someone's profit and loss. You need to understand what you're looking at. The smart money section. So first we can click smart money on the tradewiz app. This shows you the top 200 cold wallets that you can copy. You'll see their daily profit and loss, daily win rate, total trades, and everything. But here's your first lesson. Don't just copy the wallet at the top of the list. Why? Because many of these calls are farmers. They know people are copying them, so that they use their copy trades as exit liquidity. They buy a coin, their copiers pump the price, and then they dump it straight on you. You're literally paying for their profits. There's something I'll show you about this a little bit later on in the video. Next, we'll move to the top smart money section. Now, above the smart money section, you'll see something even better. Top smart money. These traders who aren't necessarily Coles, they're not influencers, they're just really good at trading. Look at some of these numbers. Some of these wallets are pulling insane daily profits, turning 10, 20x, even on certain trades. This is really where you want to focus your attention. What to look for in a wallet? Well, let me break it down. What makes a wallet worth copying? A win rate. Don't just look at the percentage. A 60% win rate sounds good, but if their wins are tiny, losses are massive, they're going to bleed money. Look for wallets with both a good win rate, but also a good profit margin. Trade frequency. Some wallets spam 50 trades a day. Others make 3 to 5 calculated moves. Neither is wrong, but you need to match this to your strategy. High frequency means more fees, more capital. Low frequency means You might miss big moves if you're not always watching. Trade size consistency. Look at how much they're putting into each trade. Are they risking the same amount each time, or are they going all in randomly? Consistent position sizing usually means they have a strategy. Random sizing means they're probably gambling. Recent performance. Don't just look at all-time profit and loss. What have they done in the last 7 days, 24 hours, as the market is changing? A wallet that was profitable 2 months ago could be completely different now. Red flags to avoid. Here's what screams don't copy this wallet. Sudden massive gains. If you see a wallet that went from 0 to hero overnight with one massive trade, that's luck, not skill. Don't chase it. Inconsistent trading patterns. If they're trading small for weeks, then suddenly throwing huge amounts at random coins, something has changed. Maybe they sold their wallet. Maybe they're exit scamming. Either way, I would stay away. Too many copy traders. This is something I wanted to mention earlier on in the video. Check how many people are already copying them. Here with TradeWiz, you can actually use their feature. And if hundreds of people are copying this one wallet, well, you know you have a terrible execution and the market impact is really high. All right, so once you've found a wallet worth copying, let's set it up correctly. Here, you'll be able to copy the wallet address directly on TradeWiz. Then we can go to copy trade in the top section. We can give it a name first. We can actually add in the wallet address here. You've got a lot of options on how to set up the copy trading for TradeWiz. A lot of times I actually set up a fixed copy amount. Let's say I want to enter for 0.5 Solana or 1 Solana per trade. You can also use by ratio. Let's set that up at say something like 50%. So if the trader entered in for half a Solana, you would enter in at 50%, something like 0.25 Solana. For the DEX pool selection, I would actually leave this as a default. Wouldn't actually change any of these settings. A lot of the times these traders are only trading pump fun or bonk tokens. So we'll just leave that as is. You will need to make sure you have some trade slippage. So depending on the specific tokens that trader is trading, if they're trading larger market cap coins, you can have less slippage, 10 to even 20%. But if they're trading those super low market cap coins, well, you might need 30, 50% slippage, maybe even more. I would leave all of the advanced copy trading settings as is. There's no need to change them, but we could actually cover this in a future video. Then we also have the auto sell settings. So what you could do with a trader is sell an initial 50% once they've reached 100% profit on a trade. So that means you're getting out your initial amount, and then you can let the rest of the profit ride, because you will be actually copy selling as well. As they enter, you enter. As they sell, you will sell. Also, the first buy only feature. This can be a lifesaver because some traders spam buys on the same coin trying to pump it. With first buy only turned on, you'll only copy their initial entry. You won't get dragged in with extreme amount of buys. So use this for any wallet that trades with high frequency, or really with any wallet at all. Copy trading isn't a guaranteed money printer, but with the right tools, the right wallets, the right strategy, and using TradeWiz, this can be one of the most effective ways to trade Solana meme coins. TradeWiz just made it so easy. Fast execution, clean interface, best data, everything you need all in one place. But remember, pick good wallets, do your research, manage your risk, and don't be exit liquidity for the farmers. If you found it helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, drop a comment with your biggest copy trading question, and I'll answer it. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description for TradeWiz. You'll get free access to all of their features and reduced trading fees.